All right, I have a good news for you. Certified Ransomware Protection Officer is available for free, and it is a 90-day online access you're getting, and commitment time is 4 to 5 hours. And since it's online, you can start anytime. So let's get started. So you got to click on register for free. Next, you got to create an account. If you don't have an account, let's click on create account. Let's provide some basic details if you want to sign in like this. Otherwise, you can use your LinkedIn, Facebook, or Google as well, right? So let's fill it up quickly. Then we'll be clicking on accept and start your learning journey. All right, once you provide, you will get this continue button this time. Let's click on continue. And there we go. The course has started. The 90 days it's mentioned here. We have the videos here as well. You got the exam and the certification process in the end once you're done with the all the videos and PDF there, right? So please feel free to share this video with your friends and colleague so that it can help them in cybersecurity to get certified in Ransomware Protection Officer. Please check out my other courses on Udemy by searching Cloud Guru Amit, where I have tons of courses related to cloud computing, that is Azure, Google Cloud, AWS, cybersecurity, management courses, and many more. And also please consider connecting with me on LinkedIn at the rate of Cloud Guru Amit or Instagram at the rate of Amit Physique, where if you need any kind of personal assistance, I'll be glad to help you out. Thank you so much for watching this video.